If fire unexpectedly damages your home, the first steps you take can be the difference between a small cleanup or something much more severe. Now here are the do's and don'ts after a home fire. First, the don'ts. Do not enter your home until it's been inspected and approved for re-entry by a professional. Do not touch anything with your bare hands. Oil from your hands can permeate upholstery, walls, and woodwork, causing additional damage. Don't wash the walls. Incorrect cleaning can compound the soot residue. Do not attempt to clean carpets or upholstered furniture. Do not use electrical appliances until having them checked. Do not eat any food or drink left in the home, because the items can be contaminated with smoke residue. Do not use any ceiling fixtures if the ceiling is wet. Now for the do's. If the outside temperature is above 60 degrees, air out the house to help reduce the smell of smoke. Clean plastic, chrome, porcelain, and aluminum fixtures to prevent permanent tarnishing or etching. Change the air filters on the furnace if it uses forced hot air. Tape damp cheesecloth over returns and supply registers to capture loose soot in the air. Be sure to watch our other videos for safety tips on preventing home fires. And if you're under a dire circumstance, call us. We're with you every step of the way.